So you're sitting there, all excited to purchase that new game you've been eyeing for weeks. You grab your trusty controller, fire up your PS4, and head straight to the PlayStation Store. But just as you're about to complete your purchase, disaster strikes. An error code pops up on your screen, and it reads E-8210604A. Panic sets in, and you start to wonder what went wrong. Well, fear not, my fellow gamers, because today I'm going to show you how to fix this pesky error code. First things first, let's understand what this error code actually means. E-8210604A is an error that occurs when there's an issue with your payment method. It could be due to insufficient funds, an expired credit card, or even a problem with your billing address. Whatever the case may be, we're going to tackle it head-on. The first step is to double-check your payment information. Make sure that your credit card details are up to date and that you have enough funds to complete the transaction. If everything seems fine on your end, it's time to move on to the next step. Sometimes, the error code can be caused by a temporary glitch in the PlayStation network. In this case, all you need to do is wait it out. Give it a few minutes, maybe even an hour, and then try again. It's amazing how often these things resolve themselves with a little bit of patience. If waiting doesn't do the trick, it's time to get a bit more technical. Restart your PS4 and try again. This simple step can often fix minor software issues that may be causing the error code. So go ahead, power down your console, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Give it another shot and see if the error code disappears. If none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to PlayStation support. They have a team of experts who can guide you through the troubleshooting process and help you resolve the issue. Don't be afraid to ask for help. That's what they're there for. So there you have it, folks. The next time you encounter the dreaded E-8210064A error code on your PS4, don't panic. Double-check your payment information, wait it out, restart your console, and if all else fails, reach out to PlayStation support. With a little bit of patience and perseverance,